Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on the South Fork Catawba River in McAdenville, Christmastown, USA. Gonna try to do some bass fishing out here on the lake. Pretty cool little launch. In fact, there's like several little access points out here in this little stretch of the river. So this is one of them. I don't know what the name of it is. It is, I don't know. I can be able to I'll put the address down there, but I don't know if there's actually a name for it. But it's a nice facility. It's like a greenway access place. And they got like a workout area and like trails and all kinds of really cool stuff. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to catch some fish. Let's get to it. Well guys, midday update. Things are not going well. I have no clue what is going on. This is like one of those days where I should be catching fish. I mean, this is late March. Water temp is 60 degrees. It's been nice and overcast. A lot of good stain in the water. Everything looks like incredibly fishy, but I haven't gotten a bite like all day, and I don't know what the heck's going on. I mean, yeah, my confidence is shaken. I have not gotten a bite. I'm not really seeing much on the graph. I've inadvertently seen like some giant carp like launch like into the air. I mean, it's a big carp, but the bass fishing is not what I expected. I mean, I've downsized. I'm fishing a darn Ned rig, which I mean, that shows you my desperation there. But yeah, I don't know what is going on. But let me get back to it. Let me see if I can make something happen. Well, it wasn't even supposed to rain today, but as you can see, not only is it raining, it's hail.
are getting hungry. I can tell you what that means. River rats and cool stew. Baby, that's what I'm cooking you. River rats and cool stew.
Well, guys, I think I am going to call it a day after being thoroughly defeated out here. Oh my God, I gave it my all, guys. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to round up anything. I mean, this looks like it would be an awesome place. I don't know where I went wrong today. I just have no idea, but it's a really cool place. So I'm going to make a video here. Even though I don't like making videos of skunks, it's a cool place, and at the very least you get you learn about a new place to put in your kayak. How about that? I mean, God, it's so disappointing, because I mean, I was out here, I fished for a solid, what is that, about 12 hours. No, not 12 hours. I fished for a solid 5 hours, significantly less than 12, but I fished for a solid 5. Weathered rain and a hailstorm, and still, I mean, I never got a bite. I mean, just never got a bite. And I don't foresee anything changing, but I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm actually not looking forward to having to haul my kayak up that thing. That's the thing, like all these little you know, these kayak launch things, you know, and the accessibility launch things, they all seem like they're really good in theory, but they are not designed for big heavy kayaks like this. They're actually more pain than they're worth, but if you have a light one, it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna try to lug my kayak up that giant ramp thing. But if you'd like to know anything about what I did today, anything about this launch, you can look down into the description box. I'm going to put some additional information down there. But while you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. So I'll be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing.
River rats and cool stew.